can say nga ang chiropractic nakatabang kayo nako kay karon makalakaw nako normally, and even I can carry my 2-year-old daughter nga perte ng bugata. I know someday nga makabalik og duwa og sa akong mga sports. Hello, I'm Joshua and I'm from Madrideo, Cebu. It's from Bantayan Island. Last January, I accidentally twisted my upper body during our game in school, a volleyball game, that caused me to feel so much pain in my lower back. So after nga game, I went home. Then I felt so much pain. Then I lay down on my bed. I can't even move even a little bit. Then it lasted for almost 2 months. Then after 2 months, I gained back my strength, and I thought that my problem is gone. But last September 2023, so during my training field work, my lower back suddenly popped again, and that was the time nga na-feel na ko balik ang sakit nga ako na-feel way back 2018, na I can't even move a little bit even when I lay down. So even my father iya kong gisundo ngadto sa San Remeo para madala ko balik sa Madridejos, and moto nga ngadto sa Madridejos nangita mig muhilot nangita mig muhilot, and moto nga nakakita mig physical therapist didto nga retired na. Then he tried to adjust me, then I can walk a little bit, but it's hard for me. Then that time naka-decide me to go to Cebu City to have a check-up with the orthopedic doctor. Then after gi-ask ko sa doctor to have an MRI, and then after the MRI he read my result, and then the doctor said to me the last option is surgery. That cost me, the doctor said nga mag-ready ko almost 300,000. So sa ako hadlok ko nga magpa-surgery, labi na sa akong spine, kay ningon pod ang doctor nga it is not 100% guarantee na successful ang operation. So wato nga wala ko ni undergo operation tungod sa akong kadlok, and then sa dili sigurado. And then here comes the chiropractic. I already saw the chiropractic clinic at SMC side before. Then at first dili ko gusto or hadlok ko magba-chiro kay tungod sa akong mga nadungog nga daghang patient ang mga na-paralyze, and it came also nga na yung mga namatay. Ako na lang gi-grab ang chance to go to the chiropractic clinic. I called the assistant and have a appointment. So muna nga na-meet na ko si Dr. Florian. Thanks Dr. Flo. And he asked me to have an x-ray. So mo to pagbalik na mo kang Dr. Florian na iyang gitanaw nga x-ray, and nakita dito nga ang akong spine grabe na kaayo ka guba, and almost straight na ang akong spine. Then iyang gi-check unsa pay mga problema nako nga nag-twist na pod ang akong upper body, no mana nga niingon si Dr. Florian nga he advised me to have a 24 sessions. So mana nga dako-dako jud ma-spend nga money. But again, I thank God, and with the help of Dr. Florian, ang akong session imbis nga 24 session ni ubos siya down to 18 sessions na lang. Ni lower down siya to 18 sessions because of the progress nga nadawat sa akong body, no, sa adjustment pod nga gihimo ni Dr. Florian. Right now, I visit na lang Dr. Florian for a maintenance sa akong spine, cause ang treatment is not 24-hour treatment, but naay karang progress, no, naay progress nga mag-heal ang atong spine for a longer period of time. Then, but with the help of chiropractic, I think ma-lessen pag yun ang atong struggle ana. I can say nga chiropractic helped me a lot, no, naka-walk ko normally, but there are some activities nga dili pa nako mabuhat, like playing basketball, playing sports, because again akong spine is still in the process of healing. But I can guarantee everyone that chiropractic is safe and can help us have a good posture and have a good health. So thank you, Chiropractic Flow, and also Dr. Florian. God bless. I can say nga ang chiropractic nakatabang kayo nako kay karon makalakaw nako normally, and even I can carry my 2-year-old daughter nga perte ng bugata, no, and I can do some activities na, but the heavy activities still I can do, but I know someday nga makabalik og duwa og sa akong mga sports.